All right. In front of you, I have displayed the output question based on the concept of function, right? Let us start solving this output question. I make the working notes here. Starting with, I have variable A with the value 10. I have variable Y with the value 5. Then I have defined the function with the name my function. Inside this function, you can see the statements which I have shaded. Now, starting from this print statement which I have shaded, this print statement falls under the top level statement. From here, we start with the top level statements. Okay. And already I have told you that execution of the question starts from top level statements. You may have 2-3 functions in your program, but execution of the program always starts from the top level statement. Now, inside this question, I'm going to tell you so many concepts today. Let us start with our first concept. Beta, you can see this A variable and you can see this Y variable. A and Y are global variables. A and Y are global variables. Okay. Now, what do you mean by the term global variable? Beta, there is one term in the programming, scope rules. There is one term which we always discuss in the programming language, that is called scope rules. Scope rule means in the program, in which part of the program the variable is visible, the variable is known, the variable is legal and accessible. In which part of the program your variable is visible, the variable is accessible, the variable is known. That is known as the scope rule of the variable. Now you can see this A and Y, they have been created in the top level statement outside all the functions. ये जो फंक्शन है my func, इस फंक्शन के बाहर, outside this function, I have declared two variables. Or you can say these two variables have been declared in the top level statement environment. So the variables which are declared in the top level statement, they are called global variables. And the variable which are defined inside the function, they are called local variable. अब ये जो A और ये जो Y variable है, these two variables, they have been declared inside the function my func. So these two variables are local variables. Right? Am I clear up till here? If yes, please raise your thumb so that I can proceed further. Okay. Now let us start the working of this question. Print y equal to a equal to. So first answer will be y equal to 5, a equal to 10. This y variable and this a variable will pick up these two values. And remember, the variable a and y which are used or which are declared in the top level statements are global variables. This a and this y, they are global variables. And the scope of the global variables is the entire program. In the complete program, you can use global variables anywhere. Inside any function, you can use them. Their scope is entire program. Right? So our first answer is y is 5, a 10. Now coming to this second print function, which I have shaded. Inside this print function, you can see I have invoked, I have called the function myfunc. और जैसे ही मैंने ये फंक्शन कॉल किया, मैं इस फंक्शन के अंदर चला गया. Right? Now, the moment I call this function, a local environment gets created. When I was in this print statement, I was in the global environment because this A and this Y are declared in the top level statements. They are not in the particular function. The moment I call this function, I went to this function, I jumped to this function. Now a local environment has been created. This A variable, this Y variable, these two variables are declared inside this function. ये इस function के अंदर है. So these two variables are local variables. No doubt, the name of the variables are same. But right now, this A equal to 2 and this Y, they are local variable. A local variable is a variable which is declared or defined inside a particular function. If I am totally clear to all of you, everybody raise your thumb. Everybody of you raise your thumb if I am totally clear with the concept. Let me see how many thumbs are raised. Okay. Now see. Now I am here. A2 and A has given its value to Y. A is 2 and A has given its value to Y. So Y also becomes 2. Now this print statement, Y equal to A equal to. Y equal to 2, A equal to 2. Y equal to 2, A equal to 2. Now this third print statement, which I have shaded, A plus Y equal to 2 plus 2, 4. Because Y is 2, A is 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Am I clear, beta? Am I clear to all of you? Any doubts up till here? Any questions to any child? Okay. Now see this. Return A plus Y. What value will be returned? Who will answer? If you are totally thorough with the question, who will answer? What value will be returned back? Yes, Maulik?
Sir, 4.
4. 4 value will be returned back. Now, when this return statement is encountered, listen carefully what I am saying, students. When this return statement gets encountered, local environment gets finished. Local environment gets finished because with the use of return statement, the function, the working of the function terminates. The execution of the function comes to stop. It okay. Now we are again back to the statement from where we have called the function. हम वापस वहीं पर आ गए जहां से function call हुआ था. So here it will be printed 4 because value 4 is returned na, so it will print 4. Now this last print statement, y equal to, again the same values which we have used here, because these value of a and this value of y is confined, is used in this block only. Outside the block they have no use, outside the block they have no scope. So this point might have get clear into your mind. Global variables have the program scope, local variable they have the function scope, because they are defined inside a particular function, so they have the function scope. As the function over, the lifetime of the local variable also gets over. Now this y and this a, they are referring to these values. Y is 5, a is 10. So this is the answer. We can check our answer. You can check the answer. I give you 1 minute. Go through the question carefully. You can check the answer. Is the concept clear, students? When we encounter the return statement, we come out of the function. That is clear to you, Vanshika? We came out of the function and we came back to the statement from where we have called the function. And here the value 4 get printed. Why the value 4 get printed? Because this function myfunc has been called inside the print function. तो जो भी वैल्यू रिटर्न होकर आई वो यहां पे अंदर प्रिंट हो गई. That is why the value 4 get print over here. But now this print y and a, they are again referring to the top level variable. They are again referring to the global variable. So that is why at the end y is 5, a is 10. No doubt, no doubt, the name of the local variable were also same. Actually, what is the main logic? I tell you. The name a is here, the name a is here. When inside the function, listen carefully, entire 12th class, after this statement, your concept will be totally clear to you all. Inside the print function, inside the function, any function, if you are assigning any value using the assignment operator to any variable, अगर फंक्शन के अंदर आप किसी वेरिएबल को कोई वैल्यू असाइन करते हो, that creates a local variable with that name. That does not refer to the global variable. I repeat my statement again. Inside any function, when you assign any value to any variable by using the assignment statement, it creates a local variable with that name. Now this a variable which has been created inside the function, it is a local variable and it has hidden, it has hide this global variable. नाम सेम है ना, इसका भी नाम a है, इसका भी नाम a है, तो इस लोकल वेरिएबल ने इस ग्लोबल को हिडन कर दिया. But when we came out of this function, this local variable terminates. The role of this local variable is finished. So again, we are referring to the global values only. That is why y is printed as 5, a is printed as 10. Am I clear to all of you now? Am I clear to all of you now? So once again, I show the answer to you people. See here. Vanshika, now the doubt is clear to you? Yes, Vanshika. Beta, is the doubt clear? Okay. Now I go with another question. From that question, your concept will get more clear. I am taking x equal to 20. I am defining the function here, value. I am taking x equal to 30. I am saying print x equal to x. Then these are the top level statements. Here I am saying print I call the value function, and after calling the value function, again I am printing the x. Now see here carefully. Okay, I have few questions to ask you people. So those of you who knows the answer, raise your hand. I will unmute you one by one. The x which I have shaded, is it a global variable or a local variable? The x variable which I have shaded, is it a global variable or a local variable? So many hands are up today. That's very nice. Yes, Vaibhav, unmute yourself and tell me, what is this x variable which I have shaded?
Sir, global variable.
Global variable, very right. Okay, now what is this x variable which I have shaded here?
Local.
Local, this is local. Okay, so let us start the execution from the top level statement. First answer will be x equal
20.
to 20. X equal to 20, because this x which I have print here, it refers to the global variable, that is the variable which has been declared in the top level statement. Now I invoke the function. After invoking, I jump to the function definition. As I told you in the previous question, when you assign any value to any variable inside the function, it creates a local variable with that name. अब यहां पर x नाम का एक लोकल वेरिएबल बन चुका है. Now this x has hidden or you can say it has hide this global X. Now this X will be printed as
30.
30. This X will be printed as 30. Okay. Now after this print, my function is over. My local environment is over. Now I came back to the statement after the calling. Now this X will be again 20. Am I clear with the answer? See the output. All of you, please see the output. Am I clear up till here? Now see. Now I have a question from you people. I want to use this X variable inside the function value. I want to use this global variable only inside the function. But what we have gone through today, that when you assign any value to a variable inside the function, it creates a local variable with that name. Now it is not referring to the global X, it is local X. This time this is local X. But I want to work with this global variable only, that too inside this function. I don't want to create the local variable. I want to work with global variable only. How that is possible? That is possible when you perform one step extra over here. How? Global keyword. This is keyword. Global keyword space X. Now this is a message to the Python interpreter that X which has been used here is not a local variable, rather it is the global variable only. This is a message being conveyed to the Python interpreter that this X is not a local X now. ये कोई नया वेरिएबल क्रिएट नहीं हुआ X नाम से, rather we are referring to the global variable only because we have given the message global X over here. Now the answer will change. First answer will be X equal to 20. Then we call the function. We went to the function. We have seen the message global X. Global X has been modified. Earlier the global X was 20. Now the global X is 30. So what will be the answer of this X? X equal to 30. Now after this print function, the function terminates. This function is over. We came back to the last print statement. Now tell me what will be printed here, 20 or 30? Raise your hand for the answer. A very nice response I am getting from the class. Yes, Sanvinder, you answer.
Sir, 30.
Very right, very good. The answer will be 30 because we have used this global keyword to convey, to indicate the Python that we are working with the global variable itself. We are not creating any new variable with the name X. So it is 30. See, check the answer. Am I clear to all? I again repeat the concept. As I told you, bete, that a variable declared in the top level statement is known as the global variable, and the variable which is declared inside the particular function is the local variable. Okay, I just make one change here, x equal to x plus 10. Now, when I assign a value to the variable inside the function, it creates a local variable with that name. I have added 10 to its value. So x print here is 40. Right now, this x which I am shading here is local variable, local to the function. इसी फंक्शन के अंदर अंदर स्कोप है इसका. फंक्शन की एग्जीक्यूशन खत्म तो ये वाला x भी खत्म हो जाएगा. Now outside this function, this x, it is referring to the global variable. So according to this question, the answer will be 20, 40, again 20. 20, 40, then again 20. Okay. Now, in the second scenario, what I did is I write here global x. I write here global x. Now, if you try to assign a value to a variable whose name is the same as that of global variable, Python won't create the local variable. Python will work with the global variable itself because of this particular command that you have given over here. Okay. Now answer will be 20, 40, 40. Now am I clear with the concept? Anushka, Maulik, Vaibhav, Sanvinder, Abhishek, Mohit, Sukhmani, Akriti, Nandini. Am I clear with the concept, all of you? Samriddhi, Varun Chauhan, Bhavneet, Udit, Tanisha. Varun Chauhan, are you here in the lecture? Tushar, Anmol, Pratham. Pratham, is the concept clear to you? Pratham Sharma, 12th B, is the concept clear? Lagan, Hiya, Varun, is the concept clear? Jasdev, Shalza. Okay. Now I proceed with the second question. Now see this question. All of you keep a notebook in front of you and let us solve this output question. This is based on the concept of default argument and keyword arguments. Okay. Now these are our top level statement. Okay, right? So interest function has been called with two parameters, two arguments, 60, 100 and 1. Okay, raise your hand and tell me 60, 100 value will be going to which parameter and 1 value will be going to which parameter. Raise your hand and tell me your answers. $60, 100 will be going to which parameter and 1 will be going to which parameter? Yes, please tell me. Okay, Anmol, unmute yourself.
सर प्रिंसिपल की वैल्यू 60-100 होगी और
Principal will be 60, 100
और
and
टाइम की 1.
time, but time already has two value here.
पर सर 1 उठाएगा वो क्योंकि टॉप लेवल है ना और कॉलर ने उसको कॉल किया है.
It will override the default value. The new value given as argument in the function calling will overwrite the value of the default argument. Am I clear?
सर मेरे को ये नहीं क्लियर हुआ.
You have default argument here too. You have default value of the rate here this. Now one thing is the default, if you have given default value to any variable, you can skip the variable from the function calling. You can skip the argument from function calling and you can give the value of the positional argument because that is compulsory to give. And if you have given default value, that you can skip from the function call. So what program will do? Program will pick the value of the default variable. But if you are giving the value in the calling, that value will override this default value. Am I clear and more now?
Yes sir.
So we have first interest calculated as 60, 100 into 3 into 0.10. That will be our first answer. $1,830, then 500, then 1,800, then 2,000. Okay.